when these YouTubers promote products on their channels, it really makes me wonder if they actually ever used it. Now, this is the BLENDJET from Phil DeFranco. Look, this thing's not even 3 days old. BLENDJET's coming off. When you tighten, the seal constantly always falls out. It makes a mess. Like when you, like why make a to-go item like this, a to-go blender, which is a good idea if it actually worked half the time. This is fully charged for, I don't know, 4 hours or so. Don't work. So it was working. Why make a to-go thing like this and then not have like a sippy opening at the top? Now look how the stuff gets all in the threads. So when you drink it, it gets everywhere, right? Take a sip. Now you got your juice all over the threads. Now you have to close it. And now it's just gonna drip all down the sides. There's no avoiding it. So if you have, just don't buy it. I bought 2 of them like an idiot. I bought one for Lee thinking she would like it. I hate this thing. Just use a blender because they're like, oh, it saves time. Well, how much time are you saving when you got to clean it up constantly? Like, how hard is it to make something in a blender and dump it in a separate cup that you're going to carry? It takes 5 more seconds. Not a fan of the BLENDJET. The thing's terrible. It's absolutely terrible, Phil DeFranco. So there's a reason why this thing's only, it's $100 with his discount code. You get it for $44. This is a gigantic waste of money. Don't buy it. So that's my review. Make it in a blender, dump it in a cup. Like, how hard would it have been to put a little sippy cup at the top of this to where you can sippy cup it? Because what's the point? You're in your car and you gotta like I'll be in my truck driving to work and I'm like trying to unfold the thing. Then I take a sip. Great. Now I put the cap back on and now I have juice coming down the side of it. All over my hands, all over my steering wheel, all over everything. It's, ugh. Big fat zero. Don't buy this product. It's garbage. Sorry, baby, you got one coming in the mail, but this thing's terrible. It's absolutely terrible. I hate it. So there you go. That's my review on the BLENDJET. Don't buy it. Sorry, BLENDJET. Can't win them all.